Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, good morning, David. Okay, say good morning. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning,
All
teacher.
right, happy Friday, David.
Happy
Okay,
Friday.
happy Friday. All right. Okay, but where is David? I cannot see you, David. Okay, can you turn on your camera?
Do you see me?
Okay, all right. There, I can see you now. Okay, hi David. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Yeah, great. I see. David, I noticed something. David, did you have a haircut?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Because your hair got shorter. All right. Okay. So say one more time. Complete sentence, please. Yes, I
Yes,
did.
I did.
All right. Okay, David, when did you have a haircut? When?
Tomorrow.
Oh, you mean yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. All right. You say, David, I had a haircut.
I had a haircut at yesterday.
All right. Or yesterday. No at. Yesterday. All right. Okay. Can you repeat, David, one more time, please?
I had a haircut
Yesterday.
yesterday.
Very good.
The
Okay. Yeah. Where are you, David? I want to see your new haircut. Can you turn on your camera? Yay! David's hair is so short. But it's a nice haircut, David.
my
Nice.
my my dad do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
My
Uh,
mom my
mm.
mom can do it too.
Oh, really? So your dad gave you
To make
a a haircut, right? Ah, okay. All right. Can you say it, David? My dad,
that gave me a
me,
haircut.
a haircut. Wow, I see. So your dad, your mom can also uh cut your hair, right, David? Uh-huh. Your mom also can cut your hair. I guess they just like shave your hair like this, right? They just
Happy.
Oh,
I
yeah.
happy.
Oh, okay. Did you write something? Oh, that's nice to know, David. I love to hear that, David. Yes. Teacher is happy too, David. I'm happy to see you today. Okay. One last question, David. Before we continue with our lesson, what are you?
Teacher, I'm gone.
You're
Teacher, I'm
gone.
gone.
No, don't be, David. All right. Okay, David, one last question. What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to eat
Mhm.
you.
Okay, tomorrow is a weekend, David, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow is a weekend. It's Saturday, right? Uh,
Oh
uh,
no.
uh-huh. What are you going to do, David? Are you
Vietnam,
go
Vietnam, Vietnam.
are you going to stay at home? Yeah, your country. Are you going to stay at home or go out, David? Stay
Yeah.
home or go out?
Stay with you.
Stay with teacher. Okay. I see. All right. So yes, David, that's it for the free talk study time now. Okay.
Money. Money.
Yeah. Oh, but I
Money.
want to see your face, David. Please turn on your camera. Come on.
Wait, wait for a minute.
Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, teacher.
I need to find something.
You need to find something. What is it that you need to find? Okay, and we will start, David, okay?
You need to move.
Oh, what? Need to move?
You need, yeah.
Okay. What do I need
need
to move?
because I want to eat you.
Don't need teacher. Turn on your cam, David, and we will start now.
Wait
Come on.
for a minute.
Okay.
Wait for a moment.
All right. Okay, David. All right. Are you?
Find some
Okay.
special.
Come on. Let's start, David. Let's study.
You just started.
What? You should study. What do you say, David? Come on, David. Let's study, David. Are you ready? David, are
Yes,
you? Yes?
I do.
Oh, it's yes, I am.
No, I don't.
One more time. Not no, I don't. It's yes.
Yes, I am.
I am. Very good boy, David. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of pictures, emojis, David. Oh my. Okay, David. All right, so but we will have a review, David. Let's go back to our lesson yesterday, okay? Review, just a quick one. All right, David, I will read the answer, okay? Yes, okay. Let's start, David. Jenny is last. Monique is first. Sarah is in the middle. Write 1, 2, or 3 to show the order. Do you want to write your answer, David? Can you write your answer? So Sarah is, what number is Sarah, David?
Sarah in the number.
Sarah is number 2. Monique is 1. And Jenny is the third one. Bravo! Yes, David.
I
Yes.
don't want Jenny.
Oh, you want Jenny. Why? Do you have a friend whose name is Jenny, David?
Yes.
Oh, really? You have a friend
Yes.
whose name is like this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Why don't you like your friend Jenny, David? Why not?
I need to erase it so no one can see it.
Okay. David, do you have a friend who's named Jenny?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is she your classmate in school?
Yes.
Ah, I see, I see. Okay, David. So yes, that's it for the free talk, for the review. Let us now start with the next page, okay? Let's start with this. Day 9. We are on day 9 now, David. Let's write your answer. Wait a minute. Teacher will just write something. David. Okay. All right. Now, David, solve each problem. Question number 1. Write the numeral. Okay. Can you count this first, David? How many boxes? Yeah. All right. How many boxes, David? There are.
1, 2,
Oops.
3, 4.
Yes, there are 4 boxes. Can you say it, David?
There are 140 boxes.
Oh my God, that's a lot again of boxes. Okay, so you write this way, David. 4, right? One more time, please read how many boxes?
How many boxes?
Boxes. There are,
Box.
I say boxes. One more time. Boxes.
No, there is not a block.
Oh, box, David. Boxes.
No,
So,
box
oh,
need that is
okay.
dice.
Dice. Okay, dice.
Because the box need to the
Yeah.
box need to be rectangle.
Okay. Rectangle? I don't think so. Boxes are mostly square, David, right?
No.
Square. Oh, yeah. But there are rectangular boxes, David, right? Okay. Anyway, so these are not boxes for you. There are dice, right, David? Okay. All right. Teacher
One,
will.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Uh-huh.
11, 12.
Uh,
Teacher, I
okay.
know how to count 100.
Oh
1, 2,
no.
3, 4.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Next time we will count from 1 to 100 next time on Monday, okay? From the
On
start,
Tuesday.
and Tuesday. Oh yeah, sure. That will be our free talk. You're gonna count from 1 to 100 and 101 to 200 on Tuesday. Okay, David? All right.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Next, number two. Add how many in all, David? 3 plus 3 is equals to? That's an inverted one. That's an upside down number. What number is this, David? 3 plus 3 is equals to? What is this? What is the answer, David? I know that you know the answer. 6. Very good. Teacher will
It's
write
like
number 6 in the box. All right.
it's just like a shelf.
Oh, a what?
A shelf.
All right. Really? This one, David?
No, under. The
Uh,
orange.
below. Repeat after me. Below. Below,
No, in
David.
the middle.
Oh,
Middle, the orange one.
the orange one. I don't see anything. Or this one?
No.
Ah, I don't see it. I can't see what you're showing, David. Okay. Anyway, David.
Look.
Okay, where, David? David, do you tell teacher what these are, David? What are they? They are.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. I see, David. Uh-huh. It looks like a shell. All
I
right.
will
Okay.
color it.
I will color it. Oh, you tell me now what these are, David. These are.
These
Uh,
are cats.
oh, this one. Food. Yummy. What do you call it?
Cake.
Cakes, right? Okay. So you say they are cakes. You say it,
They
David?
are you.
They are cakes. Say it again one more time. They are
Cake.
cakes, right? Okay, okay. Teacher will now move the page. Okay, next page, next number. Okay, teacher will move. All right. Number 3 now. Subtract, cross off 3. How many are left? Cross off 3 caps. And you have 4 caps left.
0 cat.
Right. 0 now. Do you have a cap, David?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I do.
have.
I do. Do you? Do you have a a cap? Yes, I do. One more time.
No, I don't.
No, I don't know. All right. I think you
A
do
Doraemon
have a
cat.
cup. Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. It sounds nice, David. Where do you wear your cap, David? When you go.
When it's sunny.
Oh, okay. I see. All right, David. Our next question now. Teacher will have to move the page. Sorry. Okay, number 4, David. 2 blank 2 is equals to 4. 2 blank 2 is equals to 4. What's the answer? Yes. Okay, so the missing symbol is a plus sign, right, David? This is a plus sign, right? Can you say
Plus.
plus?
Plus
Yeah,
sign.
sign, right? That's correct. Number
Sign.
5.
Draw a
Draw
circle.
circle. Draw a circle,
Teacher,
David.
look at my shelf.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. It looks like a nice shell. Colorful one, right? Okay. You draw a circle now, David. Draw a circle. Where is the circle, David? Can you draw a big circle or a small circle? A big one or a small one? Can you draw now? How do you draw a circle? Okay, show me. Okay, how about the circle, David? Can you draw? Yeah, is that your circle? It doesn't look like a circle. A circle. Oh, yes. Great. Thank you very much, David. All right. Next number. Okay, number 6, teacher will move. Oh, you have money. Money, money, money. Wow. Okay, next, David, number 6. Let's answer. Okay, David, is the object shorter?
Answer for me. You answer for me.
Oh, one more time, please.
Please, you can make it.
Circle. Okay, circle for me. Which one is your answer? Is it a yes or a no?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Of course. Your is the object shorter? Sorry, my bad. Okay, David, the answer is not no. Is the door shorter?
Yes.
Is the door shorter? Huh?
Then you are.
The answer is again one more time. The door
No.
is not
No.
shorter because it's longer than your arm, right, David? Okay, complete
Yes.
sentence. Repeat after me. No, it isn't.
Yes,
Okay.
it isn't.
uh, we don't say no, yes, it isn't. It's no, it isn't. It's longer than my arm, right? Mm.
Yes.
David, what is longer than your arm? What is it again? It's a
No.
door. Yes, right. Okay, good job. Next, number 7, David. Let's read. Can you read?
Because
Oh,
guys,
oh, you
happy
say
hopscotch. Oh, I love it.
you love hopscotch. Oh, what about this word, David? You say recess, not recess. Recess.
Recess.
S-s-s, s-s-s, recess.
A sizzle.
Okay. All right. One more time, David. Recess.
Riso.
Oh, recess.
Riso.
Oh. Okay, please repeat, David, one more time. Recess.
Not reset.
Oh, that's how you pronounce it. Come on, David. Recess.
Reset.
Yes, recess. It's the time when children do not to study, right? Or do not study again. Okay. Okay. You answer now, David. So how many children like hopscotch? How many?
21.
Okay, hopscotch. Okay. Oh, 2. Yeah. Two children like hopscotch, right, David? Okay, let's make a sentence, please. Okay, David, two children like. Okay, repeat after me.
All
Oh,
of it about the Rosie.
oh, one more
Lo-
time, please. You love what?
It's
You
like a Rosie.
a Rosie. Okay. All right. David, do you play hopscotch in your recess? Do you play this game with your classmates, with your friends? Do you play?
Yes.
All right. Let's find a picture of this one. Hopscotch game, David. Ta-da! Right, David? Can you
Happy
see?
hopscotch. Happy
Happy,
hopscotch.
happy hopscotch. Okay, let's find a picture. Let's put it right here. Ta-da! What is the girl doing, David?
Painting, painting.
What is the girl doing, David?
Happy hopscotch.
Yeah,
Happy
uh, she is playing.
happy hopscotch.
She is playing a hopscotch, David, right? Okay,
S
hopscotch.
and
Yes. Okay, great job, David. All right, next question. Let's do it. All right, so the answer is
I could be
two.
red.
Okay,
I
hold on,
could be blue.
David.
Blue.
Wait a
I
minute.
could be orange. I could be blue. Teacher,
Yes,
look at
David.
my shelf.
Oh, what? Where, David?
Look at my shelf.
Where is oh, yes, I can see it, David. It's a colorful one, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next, David. Last question for today. Which has more legs, a bird or a dog?
Dog, dog.
All right. Make a sentence, David. A dog has more legs.
Egg.
Yeah. How many legs does a dog have, David? A dog has how many legs, David? A dog. A dog has four legs. Okay, can you read, David? Repeat after me. A
The dog
dog.
has 140 legs.
Oh, really? That sounds scary. If a dog has a lot of legs.
No, minus 1,000.
Oh my. Okay, what about a bird, David? A bird has how many legs, David?
20.
20. Two
20.
only. Two legs
Dog
only, David. All right.
and bird got 24 legs.
What? Really? It has 24 legs? Oh, where did you see a bird with 24 legs, David?
And the dog too.
No, you're not, David.
Teacher,
You're
I
a
like
boy.
teacher,
Oh.
I like my shell.
Oh yeah, do you like my shell? Yes, I do, David. Do you like shells, David?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
I do. Okay, because you love them, David, I will show you a picture of it, okay? All right, this is for David. Look here, David. Ta-da! I hope you like it. Can you see?
Yay! It's upside
Good.
down. It's
Yeah,
upside down.
it's up and the other ones are upside down. Yeah, like this one, David, right? And this one
Yes.
too. Yes. All right. Awesome job, David. Bravo. All right. Okay. So, David, I just see the time. I just noticed that our time is over. So, we are going to continue the next activity. Okay. The
Hi.
next. Hmm.
Activity number 10.
Number 10. This will be for Monday.
The,
All right,
for
David.
the last chance.
Oh, okay. One more time. Okay. What do you
For
say?
the last chance.
Last chance. What is it? You mean you want to answer the first question, David?
Yes.
Okay. One last question for today, David. Okay.
No, no, no.
No, not anymore. Okay, we will continue with this activity next meeting on Monday. Okay, so David got a perfect score here. Yes. And a big star,
Ah,
David. Where is my star for David? Okay, wait a
I
minute.
think it's gone.
Oh, it's gone. What is gone, David? Okay, hold on, David. This is for you. Ta-da! All right, very good job. Well done, David. Okay. All right, so teacher has to go, David. I hope you will have a great day. Happy weekend too. Take care.
Weekend.
See you on Monday. Bye, David. Thank you very much.